My video guide will help you in getting rid of Acnav.online pop-up windows that currently promote some dubious software called InstaQuick. The developers of this program claim that by installing this software you will be able to get the ultimate way to enjoy Instagram right on your PC. But in reality, Acnav.online is a deceptive site, and the program InstaQuick functions as a typical adware. It shows a lot of intrusive ads that will be popping up randomly on your screen. Plus, there may be ads that will occupy some parts of the new browser tabs. You may see a lot of other strange browser redirections to random sites and so on. In the light of this information, be very careful and do not trust these pop-ups by Acnav.online. As I said, they are extremely dangerous and you are under the risk of installing certain adware that will slow down the system performance considerably. So the only correct conclusion and solution is to shut down these new tabs and be sure not to download anything that they suggest. I would also recommend to go to the control panel of your computer and remove the programs that are suspicious. Right click on them and get rid of them. Finally, I would also strongly advise that you perform additional checkup of your computer with a combo cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then scanning your computer with this application in order to make sure that it is free of any other threats. So after the antivirus database is successfully updated, start scan and complete the analysis of your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed the Combo Cleaner antivirus, this is the way it looks like. There are three scan types available: Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. The program Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. The premium version is required if you would like to fully enjoy the feature called anti-malware and anti-ransomware. So you will only be able to activate these two important features, these two important security mechanisms with the premium version of the program. Anti-malware scanner, it helps potential infections in the early stages. So that's the way to get your computer fully protected against all possible threats, infections, viruses, and other types of malware. Anti-ransomware feature, once it is enabled, protects your files from being encrypted. By the way, you may add a special folder where you will store all your important documentation that will be duly protected by the Combo Cleaner antivirus. So after you select your preferred scanned type, click on Start Scan, and the program will begin the checkup and the analysis of your computer. Not only will it detect problems related to threats like malware, ransomware, or viruses, it will also help you to fix and recover your browser from unwanted ads, redirections, intrusive push notifications, and other types of intrusive adware. So, after the scanning is successfully completed, the program will give you the report about the threats and their exact location on your computer. The good thing is that Combo Cleaner antivirus helped us to protect our computer and our important documentation from being encrypted by the ransomware. Therefore, use Combo Cleaner to get your computer fully protected against all sorts of contemporary threats. And you may find the link to download the program in the description for this video. Thanks for watching.